Hey, what's going on, guys? Back with you with another video here. I want to discuss this real quickly here. This is a Sharp Smart Roku TV. I actually had a 50-inch one experiencing a similar issue, and I actually have the other video on here. Now, if you've come here for a fix, unfortunately, I'm the guinea pig, is not fixable. It is a bad display issue. Something, if you know what you're doing, there's very small boards that have ribbons soldered onto them for the display down below on the very, very bottom, but you pretty much have to pull the entire bezel and everything off of the television to get to those. If you know what you're doing, you can probably fix this. You're thinking this is a T-Con board issue. That's exactly what I thought as well. I actually ordered one, put a new one in. There's my old one right there. Fired it up, the exact same issue with another T-Con board. You're like, okay, you just ordered a bad T-Con board, you got to get a different T-Con board. I would probably agree with you, but because I had a 50-inch experiencing the same issue, actually this one didn't even light up completely. This one in particular actually lit up with no screen, meaning that just the backlights came on with nothing. I replaced the main board, power supply, T-Con on the 50-inch, didn't fix it. This one, I'm not even going to worry about it. In this case, it's upsetting because the TV's not even that old, but you have to scrap it, again, unless you know what you're doing, and you can look at the ribbon board down below. Again, those are soldered on professionally, but if you know what you're doing, you might be able to fix your television. This is a 43-inch. I'm going to scrap it, unfortunately, but before you do scrap it, don't throw it away. If you want to, you can sell the power supply, the backlights, the main board, and the T-Con board because, again, it's a display issue. It's not a power supply issue. It's not a main board issue. You guys get the idea here. I'm just trying to save you a little bit of a headache so you don't over-research it, buy parts for it that are just sitting around. You're better off selling the parts on eBay, recouping some costs, and buying another television now that they're coming down in price. If you don't feel like doing that, you can scrap it on Craigslist for 40 bucks, let someone else sell the parts, tell them the issue, tell it's unfixable, or if you're completely over it, then recycle the television for sure. But again, I just wanted to save you guys a little bit of a headache. Unfortunately, this is not fixable. And again, I'm the guinea pig. And the reason I'm so certain on this is because, again, I've had two of these televisions and they both were not fixable. You guys have a great day. We'll see you on the next one where I am able to fix a television that has broke. Take care. Bye-bye.